Hi, I'm Mark Barton, one of the directors of MC Rental. MC Rental is primarily a contract hire and rental business, and we offer contract hire from 6 months to 10 years if need be, according to the customer's requirements. We buy vehicles, we operate the vehicles on contract hire with full maintenance. We then get the vehicle back, we sell the vehicle as a pre-owned or a used vehicle, knowing that we're selling them with full service history, knowing the vehicle from start to finish. We have sales people who are out there generating leads and new business opportunities, which then we quote, and hopefully if successful, it is Dave Hutchins' team from the hire desk and the front part of the building who ends up putting the vehicles out. And then we have a fleet maintenance team who, under Nick Thorne, who basically looks after the vehicle throughout their life with maintenance, breakdowns, tyres, tail lifts, cranes, you name it, the whole package. Then when it comes to the end of its contractual period, the vehicles are checked in, hopefully they meet the return conditions, and then we process them and we sell them as good quality pre-owned vehicles.
Yeah, my name's Dave Hutchins, I'm the Group Sales Director, and my main role now is working at MC Rental on the hire and sale of vehicles. So to hire a vehicle from MC Rental, we try to make it as easy and as flexible as we can, from identifying your needs and vehicle specifications. It's a fairly easy process once the account application is received and the various documentation such as O licence, insurance, we can then open an account. Once the account is open, we will identify your requirements and the specification and then hopefully match it to one of our existing vehicles. Alternatively, if it's a longer term requirement, we can provide a vehicle that's bespoke to your actual specification.
My name is Nick Thorne. I am the Fleet Maintenance Manager here at MC Rental. And so that means I look after a relatively small team, and we make sure that all the vehicles are maintained regularly. We're responsible for all the vehicles we have on fleet across the country, and so we make sure that they have preemptive maintenance, so that's to help them avoid breaking down. But as and when they do break down, we respond as quickly as we can and make sure the vehicles get back on the road as quickly as possible. All the vehicles that are out on the road are obviously out there to do a job. You know, they're generally moving things around the country and repairing things and constructing things. So it's very important that they're kept working, the uptime is as high as possible. I have a team that takes inbound phone calls. So from point one, the customer may call us with an issue with their lorry. It might have broken down roadside. It might be something as simple as it might need a tyre. We will take that call, we'll establish where the vehicle is, what the problem is, and we will deploy the relevant supplier out, depending on where they are in the country, out to deal with the situation, or we'll make a booking for the lorry to go into a depot to be repaired. We'll log that on our system and we'll track that through to completion. Then we'll confirm with the customer it's all repaired. We'll move on and close the job down.
Hi, my name's Derek Baldwin, I'm pre-owned sales executive. So my role within the company is to advertise, speak to the customers, do the sale from start to finish, from the initial phone call through to the delivery to the customer or the collection. The condition of the trucks when they're sold is as good or as near to we can get as new, bearing in mind they've been out on hire. Any damages we do, anything, we try to get it as near to a new truck as we possibly can, but with the exception it is a second-hand truck. The benefit of buying off of us is we are part of a larger group, MC Truck and Bus, and obviously all our stock we have is bought by us. It's not pre-owned by anybody else, so the history of all our trucks can be fully traced. We sell nobody else's trucks. We don't take a part exchange in and sell a truck we have no history of. So you can sort of follow the history of a truck you buy from us from start to the finish to us and know that it's been fully Volvo maintained from new. Sometimes customers, when they buy a truck, will ask us to sign write their truck from paint them with their specific paint codes, grills, bumpers, if they want light bars, alloy wheels. The advantage of alloy wheels on a vehicle is it makes it lighter. So we can fit alloy wheels on vehicles, we can do custom paint jobs. We've got our own paint shops, body shops, so any customisation that benefits the customer in them sort of ways for their own benefit, we can do that for them as well. So we do have our own full range of stuff. We can do anything on the truck you want done. We have a massive range of trucks, from four-wheel drives for obviously directors of companies. We have pickup trucks, we have vans, 3.5 tonne, 7.5 tonne vehicles, grabs, every type of vehicle for every use, fridges. We can customise or speak to Truck Us and they can build you whatever truck you need to whatever your specs are. Whatever your needs, we can get a truck for whatever your needs are.